Hello guys, I am here again. Let's just start from the beginning. I'm here today to show you how to add uh, Tomcat to your Eclipse. So first we're gonna have to change to the perspective to JavaEE. There are two ways to do that. One is going to the top right, which is the little icon here. It says open perspective. You click here and it opens. The other one is to come to Windows, perspectives, or open perspectives and other, and we're gonna pick JavaEE. From here we have the create dynamic web page, web project, but I'm going to just do as it normally is done. I'm gonna go to file, new dynamic web project. I'm gonna do serve uh, dynamic project servlet. And then the default, right now I don't have any run target, so we're gonna add a new runtime. I'm gonna pick Apache, and I'm gonna pick Apache 9, which is the one that I have, and I'm gonna click next, and I'm gonna browse where the directory is, and I have it in C, program files, Apache Foundation, Tomcat 9. I'm gonna select the folder, and I'm gonna click finish. And for the module, they just go a little bit below, so to make sure that there is no issues, and I'm gonna do finish. And now wait, and dynamic web project is ready. And that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I will link in the description below how you can add JavaEE to your Eclipse.